Look what happened last night. We got our first actual snow of the year. You want to go out? You're already out a little bit. This is Roxy's favorite time of the year. For that reason right there. Look at our pumpkins. They're under the snow. The roads are just wet though, so no issues getting to work today. Let's see how Mellow Cat's doing. Mellow Kitty. Her food's gone again, I swear to God. You aren't eating all this food. I fed her twice yesterday. Something's coming out here and eating the Mellow Cat food. What are we feeding Mellow? You probably see him come through every day. You're a little love ball today, aren't you? I like it when you're lovey, yeah. Cats have a mind of their own. Sometimes they are super lovey, sometimes they just don't want to be bothered. So you gotta take advantage of these times right here. Mellow Cat's food's almost gone since we're feeding what appears to be the neighborhood. Oops. When you try to do things one-handed, that's what happens. Oh, of course there's ice in there. This thing will become a problem a little bit later this winter. Hey, maybe whatever's visiting us can eat these pieces off the floor. And I gotta get more cat food today. In other news, our furnace stopped working again. Last night, it stopped working, so we had the guys come back out. We replaced a motor that he thought was the problem. And then about 2 o'clock this morning, Cody woke up and it was pretty cold in our house. And lo and behold, our furnace isn't working again. So we're gonna have the guys come out again here this morning, but it's getting a little expensive and a little ridiculous. But I'm keeping it positive. Things are gonna be okay. What do you got? Oh. Come here. Okay. Ready? Next up are the chickens. I've had requests for chicken videos lately, so I guess today you'll get one, hopefully. That is, unless they decide that they're going to stay in the coop. You guys aren't gonna like what you see out here. They're like, nah. Let's take care of this. Check this out. That might draw them out right there. There's a lot of snow in there. Look at that. Oh, it's because I have a brick in there. I forgot about that. Keeps that weighted down, keeps the water off of it. Gotta go get some fresh water. Oh, she's thinking about it. You thinking about it, Ronnie? I know something that'll make you guys come out. Roxy, come. How am I supposed to throw that? Every day in the winter, it's sort of a battle to keep the chickens with water, and I thought of this idea, and I don't know if it exists or not, but like something that has a solar charger, and then maybe like a wire that goes around the water bowl that keeps it warm, that way it never freezes. Does that kind of stuff exist? Because if it does, I think I should buy one. See? Mel hardly ate any of that food, but that will be gone later today. Here's what I need right here. This will help the chickens come out. Also this. Are you coming out, Mello? You gonna stay in? Cody's filling my water up right now. Look who that is. Hi. Can you see him? Mello kitty, 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 kitty. Hey, baby.
You want me to make you some pancakes? I have leftover batter.
I don't know if I'll have time. That sounds good though. Oh, my water. It's like the whole video is gonna be shot in first person, it seems. Should have worn my GoPro. All right, you chickens. I can't film this whole thing, but there's what I'm gonna do. Make a nice little spot for them out here to come out. They really don't like the snow too much. Hey! Gather! 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 Come on. See, that's all it took. Once one of them starts doing something, they all do. But here's what'll really get them out here. There you go, people. There's your chicken video. Here. I know it's not much, but there's a little space for them to be out here. Now I gotta go to work. You wanna get a couple more throws in? Go get your toy. Roxy, come, bring here. There you go. Drop. Ah. That's a cool shot right there with the sky. You can't even pick that up, can you? Come here. Something's running down there. Anyway, I really got to get going here. Everybody's good down there, out and happy. Roxy's out and happy. Mellow Cat's now in, but she's happy. I'd say that was a pretty successful morning. Got all my stuff done, got to enjoy the snow a little bit, got to take my mind off of the whole furnace issue, which is kind of plaguing me right now, especially because when the guy was here last night, he said if it's not the motor, which is what he replaced, the other part that he's gonna probably do today is like $400 or $500. So that kind of sucks, but anyway, if you've ever needed anything on Amazon, now is definitely the time. Go to my link below, buy your whole family all their Christmas gifts, because we need to somehow pay for this, and that would be a big help. So thanks for watching. I'm joking, of course, but thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bonus clip, I went and shoveled the steps so when the furnace guy gets here he doesn't fall and kill himself, but I went and messed my hand up. Look at this. Look at that, even better.